Hey guys, what's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can already tell by the title, this is going to be a Pretty Little Thing clothing haul. This is the second clothing haul that I'm doing on my channel. I just felt like I just wanted to give this stuff a try because I've been ordering a lot of clothes. I don't know why. I don't know where I think I'm going, but I just did, and I just want to share that with you guys. This video is not sponsored, so yeah. Yeah, that's it. I don't know why I keep doing this, but I'm gonna get right into the video now. So this is the first dress that I'm trying on for you guys. No complaints. No complaints at all. This is like one of my favorite dresses to wear. I love the shape of the neckline. I love the little string on the side. I like how it's just loose only on the bottom. The way it hugs, the pattern. This is just it. This is it. This is all that. I'm really feeling this dress. I really like it. You guys even see? Hold on. Let me just do a turnaround for you guys. I'll do that for all the outfits. I'll just do a quick little turnaround. You got a little 360. Bam. So this next dress is the same dealio. I'm still feeling it. The only difference with this is this material is a little bit more stretchy. I'm not a pro, not a con. It's just, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
But yeah, I like the colors. Like, this is like a good choice of colors to like combine together. It's just interesting. I don't know. I ain't never seen nothing like this before. But I really like it. It's really cute. This is a close second. Let me come back here to look at my mirror. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. No complaints. I literally have no complaints for both of these dresses. They're just so beautiful. I'm sorry. I need a minute. I'm sorry. I really just feel like I'm feeling this fold over, this fall type of look, and this neckline. I'm just really feeling it. And this dress, I'm feeling it too, you know. It has its doves, it has little white baby angels, it has some mountains. There's a horse on up and a horse right there. I like the colors of it. I wasn't really paying attention really to the actual stuff on it. I was just looking at the colors, and I really like the colors of it. It's cute. And then you can really switch it up because, hold up, let me show you. Because you can wear it like this, right? You think it's like a mini bodycon dress or whatever, right? But then you can bring it all the way down past your knees for a whole different look. Maybe I should stand on my toes for like the effect of heels. Are you guys getting it? Are you getting the effect of me wearing this with heels? Hold on. Did you get it? Did you get that effect? Yeah, I like it. So this dress, like the first time I put it on, I was feeling like, and I was like, maybe like if I look at it enough, I'll change my mind. But every single time I put this dress on, I'm still like, do I like it? I don't know. Because when I saw it, it looked good on the model, but then I'm thinking maybe it's because it went better with her complexion, like these certain colors. Because I don't know if it's washing me out or not, or maybe it's the shape of it. I don't really know. But yeah, it's like a tie-dye type of dress, and then it has thumb holes, so it's kind of like a racer type of feel to it, you know. Like, I don't know, it's not a bad dress, like it's not ugly or anything. I just don't know if I like it on me. I don't know. I don't know. Of course, you just need your basic bodycon dress, just a basic plain one. I think these they were on sale. These were like $5, $5 or $8, but I'm pretty sure it was $5. And this is like a nice tan brown. I think no, scratch that. It said this was camel, but this is really nice. You know, every girl needs this. Just your basic dress. Like, you can't go wrong. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can do anything you want with this dress, you know. So it's cute, real simple. Yeah, I got it in white too, so I'm gonna put the white one on. It's nothing different, it's just white. So this one is a little bit more stretched out than the camel one, and it is a little bit see-through, so be careful of the undergarments you choose to wear with this, because you're playing a dangerous game with this one. But you know, it's still cute, it's still nice. It is, did I say this, that it was longer than the first one? Like, it feels like it's a little bit longer and looser. I don't know if I said that or not, but if I didn't, then I just said it. So yeah, this is another piece that I got that I'm like still like I don't know, because like, girl, you ain't never bought nothing like this, you don't wear stuff like this, why'd you buy it? But then again, maybe that's exactly the reason why I bought it, because I'm like, let's be a little different. I don't know. But honestly, the only real issue I have with this is the neckline. I just don't know if the neckline, maybe if it was square or straight, whatever you want to call it, if it was a straight neckline, maybe. And then you can see the seams right here. Not too crazy about that, but I guess the seams have to be there in order to make this. But I do like the feel of it. Like I like the pattern. I like the pretty little thing right here. I think maybe it's just something I just gotta get used to, or like I need to accessorize it to get like the full effect or whatever. Cause I'm not hating on it. I'm not hating on it. You know, it's just minor things, and I'm just like, I don't know. But yeah. These jeans I'm wearing are not a part of this haul. These are like a pair of jeans I got from Fashion Nova from a while ago. But this bodysuit, this is what we're looking at. We're looking at this bodysuit. Let me tell you, it took me a good minute to get this one on, because these arms are so tight. When I ordered it, I thought it was gonna be like a stretchy material, but it's really not that stretchy. It's not that stretchy, but it's so cute. It's so cute, and I love the color of it, and I love the cutouts and everything, and I love how the cutout is on this side. The bigger cutout is on this side, so you guys can see my tattoo, because I love showing this off like every chance I get. But yeah, It's really cute. It's just hard to move in and it's hard to get on. But you know, it's cute. So maybe if I got it in a bigger size, but I don't know. I'm gonna show you because I got this in a cream color as well, and that one is a completely different story. So I don't know. I feel like maybe if I got it in a bigger size, but it's still not stretchy. But I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna put on the cream one now. Honestly, truly, do not mind the bra I'm wearing. This is not the bra for this type of outfit, but I just, whatever. But what I was saying was that this cream one, this is the stretchy material that I thought that the other one would be. Like, this one is more comfortable and it's way easier to put on, but I like the other one better. But yeah, this one is more breathable and, you know, I can flow in it, you feel me? But this is cute, and of course, the cutout is still on this side, still feeling it. Oh, I'm so slow. I really just thought I recorded myself in these pants and I was talking for like 2 minutes. Come to find out, it wasn't even recording. Okay, let me try to remember what I said. So we're looking at these bottoms. Don't pay attention to anything at the top because that's not what our focus is. These are pleather split hem pants. This is what the bottom of them is looking like. I am 5'4", so they kind of look a little bit long, a little long on me. But that's fine. That's whatever. I don't really care. You just gotta wear like platform sneakers or heels or whatever with this, so they're not like dragging on the ground or whatever. When I did get them in the package, they did have like this weird type of smell, and I'm guessing that's because of that's just the type of fabric it is, because I got these in another color and they both smell the same. So yeah, I'm also scared to wash these. Like, you know how like leather, pleather, whatever, it like kind of starts peeling. I don't want that to happen. But yeah, I like these. They're pretty cute. I had to hop on the wave. These are the other pants that I was talking about, and these are really dragging. I'm really no, they started peeling. Oh, wait, what? I don't know where this came from, but this is a piece of the pants. Okay, anyway, I like the color of these. I really like the color of these because I don't really do too many like different color bottoms. It's mainly like the tops and stuff. That's like the extreme stuff, and I feel like these are kind of extreme bottoms for me, so I think that's nice. This is what they look like at the bottom. But yeah, I'm liking them. Not too bad. So guys, that is the end of this haul. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me until the very end. Make sure you check out my other videos. I did also just upload a video for a tutorial on how I did these crochet faux locks, so definitely check that out and stay tuned for more videos. Again, this was not sponsored. Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna just keep doing what I'm doing, and I'll be back.